everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Hello, my sweet friends. Happy Wednesday, happy Wednesday. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, no matter where you are and no matter what you're doing. I hope your week is going great for you, and I hope you're doing things that you love for yourselves. Okay, so let's jump into this video right away because it is jam-packed. It's got a lot of information and a lot of stuff that I want to cover. Okay, I mean, you could tell behind me, things are a little different. The color of the wall is definitely different. Yes, I did paint. I painted, so far I've only painted the kitchen eating area. Then I'm gonna make my way to the kitchen cabinet area, and then I'm gonna make my way into the big living room and dining room, and then the bathrooms and bedrooms, and you know, every room, every wall of this house is gonna get painted. I was not a fan, and truthfully, I was not a fan of the color. I'm looking over there because I can still see the old color. I don't like that color. It is, it doesn't say me. It's not my personality. I like things very airy and very light. So here's my thing. Now I know we're getting it. I'm jumping right into the video. Oh, but before I do that, thank you girls for the comments and the love on Monday's video. You all are the best. You're the best. I'm telling you. I keep saying it, and it is true. I have the best subbies on all of YouTube. I love you guys so much. So thank you very much. And just so you guys know, if I don't see a comment from you, I don't know if you watched it. And I know my oldies but goodies, you guys always comment. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for Monday's video love. And I know I haven't hearted everything because I've been doing this. But I will get to it, I promise you. Okay, so I painted. Then when we moved in here, I had a vision. I have a vision for this house. I have a vision for this room. And I want the kitchen eating area to be very French country chic. Okay, that is my vision. So very light, very airy, very French country, you know, curvy lines, you know, soft pillowy drapes, like white gauzy drapes. I'm thinking, you know, like that kind of thing. Very casual, yet pretty decor, light and bright colors, anything to mask these floors. Okay, so I'm looking over here because I bought a Hutch on Facebook Marketplace, and I have filmed while I've been doing this. So you're gonna see now, because I'm gonna show you the clips now. There's the before of the Hutch. I paid $50 on Facebook Marketplace, but I knew the shape I was looking for. So if you're going to buy secondhand furniture or anything from Facebook Marketplace or Habitat for Humanity, the Restore, or thrifting, keep always your vision on the shape of what you're looking for. It'll make it much easier to find what you're looking for. So when I saw this and I saw the shape and I saw a bunch of other ones and they wanted more money, and I was like, no, I am gonna do this on the most minimal budget. So $50, that's what I paid for it. And then I needed paints and supplies and stuff. And I did cut it apart. You'll see that as we go along. And then while that was drying, I went and got paint and I started painting the walls because I just couldn't take it anymore. And I did 2 coats, and you'll see me painting. You'll see me without makeup and in my uniform, as my daughter likes to call it. But when I clean or I do any kind of work, I am always in black leggings and a black t-shirt. So if you ever see me out and about in black leggings and a black t-shirt, it means that I am in focus mode, I am in work mode. I'm either super cleaning or super working really hard. And now if I'm dressed like this, I'm all casual and happy. So anyways, that is it. Okay, let's get into the video and I'll catch up with you at the very end. Okay, my friends, let me show you the before. So like I said at the beginning of the video, this is the $50 Hutch that I bought from Facebook Marketplace. And I love the shape. The shape is exactly what I was looking for. But I'm going to take out the doors and you'll see what I'm going to do to it because it's all going to get painted and refreshed. And as you can tell, I'm just giving you a once over of the room. Okay, so what I did here is the inside, I took the doors off, and the inside I painted a white chalk paint, and the outside I painted a blue chalk paint, and it's from Lowe's. I will leave everything linked down below in the description box so you guys can see the colors if you're interested in them and see the kind of paint I used. And the inside took 3 coats and the outside took 2 coats of the blue. And I'm really happy with it. I think it turned out really, really good. I'm just going to put its hardware back when I'm done. But I wanted to de-stress it and add a glaze to it. So you'll see that shortly. Okay, when I was finished painting each coat of this, I decided, you know what? The walls are just not going to work. So as you can see here, I got to painting my walls. And if anyone is interested in the paint color, it is the alabaster color from Sherwin-Williams in a satin finish. And that's what I'm going to be using on most of my walls. So I'll leave that link down below for you guys. And as you can see here, I'm in super painting mode. I've even got my glasses on and I'm standing on a ladder because the ceilings here are quite high. So that's what I was busy doing while the hutch was drying. So you could see me painting. And you know what, guys? I know a lot of you are going to think, my God, Bella, you don't use tape. You don't use anything. Guys, I've been painting my entire life. I've been painting with my mom since I was a little girl. We used to paint everything. And I get this from my mom and my grandfather because they both love to paint anything and everything that didn't walk. Okay, what tips can I give you for painting? Okay, guys, as I'm watching this, I'm thinking to myself, maybe I should give people some tips and tricks on paint. First of all, choosing the right paint color for your space is really, really important. And having a steady hand is even more important. But paint, listen, paint, the magic of paint is amazing because a color can transform a room and to feel completely different. Completely different. Okay, speaking of the power of paint, here I am. I'm going to give you a trick. Now, when I did the first coat of this hutch, I used a regular paintbrush. But the second coat, because you don't want to see any streaks or paint marks or anything like that, use this kind of round chalk paint brush. This is the best brush for using chalk paint. I'm telling you, you get a smooth finish. And this is what the brush is. You could buy it at Walmart. You could buy it at Lowe's. You can buy it at Home Depot. You can buy them online on Amazon. I'm sure of it. It's a natural bristle brush. And I'm telling you, it gives you the best, smoothest finish ever. And here I am just, finishing up the hutch. And I'm really liking how the hutch is turning out, guys. I really liked it. But I highly recommend this brush. Okay, here's another tip for you. When you're using this kind of brush, going back and forth, making back and forth strokes like I'm doing here, really, not only does it give you great coverage, but it also gives you that smooth look. And let's forgive my appearance because my goodness, this is what I look like when I'm in serious working mode. Hair in a bun, yes ma'am, and a black t-shirt and black leggings, but I love it. I love doing projects like this, guys, and as you can tell, I can paint with both hands. I know, I'm ambidextrous like that. All right, so let's move on because now I'm thinking I want to do some glaze to this. So as you can see here, guys, I'm starting to put this glaze on and it's okay. It's this antiquing glaze for chalk paint. And you know what? The more I put it on and take it off, I don't know. I was starting to think, this is not exactly what I wanted. I don't know. So I kept going. But in my head, I was like, I don't know if I like this. And, trial and error. Honestly, trial and error. It was supposed to be an antiquing wax, but I don't know. Guys, look at it. I didn't like it at all. I think it changed the color of my unit. It made it look more green. I did not want it to look green at all. Like this, so, you know what? I'm going to paint over it. So that's what I ended up doing. I really did not like how this antiquing glaze made the furniture look. So I started painting over it again. I know. So from the 2 coats, we went to the 3 coats on that certain part that I put the glaze on. But that's okay. This is chalk paint. Chalk paint dries really, really quick. And with chalk paint, the best thing is it covers and it sticks to everything. So I highly recommend chalk paint. And you guys have seen me use chalk paint in many, many, many applications. In my home in Ancaster, I actually painted all my kitchen cabinets with chalk paint. So I'm a big fan of chalk paint. Okay, guys. So like I said before at the beginning of the video, we had taken the doors off and we used one of the doors. My dad did this for me. I didn't have time to do it. We took one of the doors and used the actual frame of the door to make the front of the shelves. And you'll see the shelves are actually mirror. So here you see me just putting back some pictures that I had in the kitchen after the paint was dry. And this was really late last night. So this is what I was doing last night, really late at night. And I just think now with the paint color all dry, and I did do 2 coats of paint, if you were wondering. And I think it just turned out so lovely. And here's my little bar card. I'm just giving you guys some decor ideas. This is not going to stay this way, but this is what I came up with for now. And we'll see. I'll get to more stuff. I still have a little bit more touch-up painting to do around the windows, but I'm waiting for them to come and take off the hurricane shutter that's on the other side of this window. And then I could open the blinds and get some light in here. So here I am putting my little grocery sign up, and that's just over my pantry door. And then you're going to see me put up my chalkboard sign, my vintage chalkboard that I made. And I cannot wait to get some chalk and redo this chalkboard because it's been like this for a long, long time, all the way from Canada. So now I want to do something really cool and creative. That is the end of the video. What do you think? Oh my God. Leave me a big thumbs up if you like this video. And make sure you comment down below because comments and thumbs up make my channel grow. And oh my goodness, we have grown. You know, we have 100 new subscribers. It might not mean a lot to some people, but it sure does mean a lot to me. So hello to the 100 new subscribers. Welcome. Welcome. I'm so very happy to have you. Okay, guys. So, what do you think? Friday we do some decorating, right? Okay, definitely. Now, leave me a comment down below. Do you think we should do lemons? Is it too late for lemons? Are we past that? Or do you not want to see that? Or should I do like an everyday French country farmhouse look with like lots of greenery and like, you know, just everyday decor? I could do that. Yeah, I don't know. You have to leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you're going to do. But then again, it's all going to depend on what comes out of the boxes. Because, guys, I still think that I'm missing decor. I'm missing sorry, I'm looking away. I'm sorry about that. I'm missing decor. So anyways, okay, I know this video was heck of a long. Have a fantastic day. I will see you on Friday. I love you all from the bottom of my heart. Have a fantastic day. Remember, declare what you want to come into your life. Throw that negativity out the window. And don't forget to hydrate. It is heck of a hot, but I love it. I'm not complaining. I love it. This is what I wanted. Hot, humid, and sticky weather. This is my favorite. Hope you all have a fantastic day ahead. Have a fantastic week ahead. And I'll catch up with you guys on Friday. So make sure you come back on Friday and see me. Bye, guys. Mwah. See you soon.